Well, here we are on the dummy grid in Pit Lane, Bathurst Motor Festival 2012. This is the New South Wales Road Racing Regularity, of which I'm a member of the club. This is Saturday morning, Easter weekend. It's our second time out on the track, but unfortunately my camera didn't work all that well yesterday, so didn't get an awful lot of footage. Hopefully camera rolls all the session and we have a good session. We'll say this before we get too far into it: it's a very fast field. Got a couple of very fast cars in front of me, that Nissan, the Walkinshaw and the Tirana. I couldn't catch them, I don't think, but certainly I'll get the Ute. However, behind me there is a very, very rapid Falcon XE, orange, with a 6-litre Chev in it. A very fast car, and he'll pass me pretty quickly, which is okay. This, of course, is the warm-up. Now, just want to take the opportunity to say hello, Julie. There she is over there taking photos. Back home in Melbourne, say hello to Chris, my son, Cameron, Madison, Alex, Laura, John and Janine, my good mate Peter Stewart, who's missing out today this weekend, my mate Stoddy, and of course all the other guys in the club. Especially want to say happy birthday to my mum for yesterday. She had still been with us, she would have had her birthday yesterday and would have turned 68. Mum, I hope you're happy where you are, comfortable. You deserved it. Which brings me also to a big hello to my old man, Peter. Rightio, the cars behind me are certainly a bit more reasonably bunched. So when we cross the start-finish line, we'll be on the gas. That Falcon will get past me going up Mountain Straight. And hopefully this Falcon Ute will let me through fairly quickly, otherwise I'm going to be holding the Falcon behind me up. Hopefully we've got a much better bunched field so we don't start lapping people on the second lap. Yesterday was out of control. You're riding in the Blue Meanie, as some people call it, also known as the Blue Softy, or alternatively a VK 308 Commodore. It's got a Wayne Mankin Oscar engine in it, built beautifully by SMC Automotive, Steve Krupe. T5 gearbox in it, a 10-bolt full floating gear differential, run Dunlop Bridgestone R rubber. And we're away. I'm not going to get him here, am I? got my hands full here. Two cars, Commodore. There goes the Falcon. Okay, it's a 48. $6,300 revs. Hook in, flat out. I know I can go through there faster still. Bit of a lift, on the gas again. Second gear, on the gas, flat. Short shift, third gear. Bit of a lift, and flat again. Don't pull fourth gear until you're going downhill. God, that's fast. Flat in fourth, lift, dab on the brakes, in tight, so I don't get on the dirt there. Flat, down to third, on the gas, on the brakes. Down to second, out wide, gas, flat. Geez, that's a hairy ride. Temperature 100 degrees, good oil pressure, 6,000 RPM. Shift light on the brakes gently. Flat, no, not flat. I don't have the stones for flat, but that was pretty fast through there. Faster than I've gone before. And I'm up to 2 minutes 22, so hopefully that's going to take 17 seconds. 2:34. I better slow down. 37. Black flag caused me one of those two got a black flag, and that has stuffed me up now for the last lap and this one. Wide, in close, on the brakes, second gear. Flat, out wide, not quite flat. I didn't go as wide as I should have there. In close. You got to trust the flaggies, because every corner here is blind. Every corner. There's Marky boy on the video camera. So sorry Mark, couldn't be on track. Broken something in the diff. Might come good. You might be able to get apart and rejoin this afternoon or tomorrow, but probably unlikely. Shift light. Gently on the brakes, on the gas again. Yep. Ah. We definitely can't go through there flat out. There was a cockroach, in case you were wondering. It's not for me. The black flag is for the Falcon. That was a bit wide, a bit naughty. Wayne Anthony, here comes the Falcon again. I don't know what his issue is. He's got a black flag. He was supposed to have pulled in. Black flag is not something you ignore. They certainly didn't have a number up with it, so I hope it's not for me. Temperature's up to 105. Oh, it's nearly flat out there. Now, out wide. Yeah, that's better, a bit faster there. And we've got a Mini in front of us, so this is not going to be fast. Where'd the Mini go? There he is. It's going to be a slow lap. I didn't see a black flag there. I'm not getting a black flag anywhere. Ah, the black flag is for number 11. Hopefully, there's one more lap in this. But there's the Datsun 120Y. I'm not gonna. Well, that was a spin on somebody's oil. Oil all over the track and no, yeah, there he is there. No, maybe that's not him. There's oil all over the track. I'm in a vulnerable position. I'm okay, I'm okay.